Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine tutorial series. So today I'm going to show you how to create a snapshot of the character in the last scene location of the by the enemies. So you may have seen this effect in games like Shadow of Modor or Splinter Cell. So right, let me pause and explain. Okay, let's open let's enable toggle debug camera. Right, so I was seen by this character and I ran this way, and at this point the line of sight of this character to my player character was broken, and this is the last scene location of my character. To indicate that, I have spawned a snapshot of this character at this point, so he was in the run-in pose at the moment, and this indicates the last scene location. Alright, that's what I'm going to cover today, and as always this episode is sponsored by these generous Patreons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Alright, so let's start by opening our character blueprint. So first thing I need to do is I need a way to, well actually I'm referring to this tutorial, this documentation. Here it says we can take a snapshot of the mesh and use it later in another animation blueprint. So I'm going to try that out for this specific need. Okay, so let me first I need here I need to get an snapshot of my character in the place at the moment where my character is going away or breaking the enemy's line of sight. So at that place I am going to show the last known location, the last scene location of my character, the player character, as something like an outline. So yeah, and here in the where's the game state, yeah, okay, so this is where I notify the detection state, so I don't need these two anymore. So here I'm going to do this. If the length of this one is smaller than 1, or let's say just equal to 0, that means I have broken the line of sight of all my enemies. So if this is true, that means this is the place that I should take a snapshot. So how to get a snapshot? So here I should call that function. So now I'll create an event to take a snapshot in my chhuman class, and I'll implement it through my BPI character interface like this. Take snapshot, and I need a input to define the name of the snapshots. What is this type? It should be text name. Yeah, it's a name. Okay, and let's implement that take snapshot in here like this. event take snapshot, and I'll get the mesh, get anim instance take snapshot, sorry, save snapshot, and I'll connect the name like this. Okay, and the next thing is to call in that, and yeah, I already showed you where to call that. It's here. So let's get player character take snapshot, and the name I'll use last seen was. Okay, so now let's create another dummy character with the same mesh under character human like this. Well, I'll create an actor. I'll call that one BP last seen indicator, and here I'll add a no, I'll just drag and drop this skeletal mesh like this, and I think I need to rotate it. Let's place it in the world and see how it looks. Okay, it looks like this. Right, then I need to create a new. Can I directly use a pose here? No, I don't think so. Yeah, let's create an animation blueprint like this. Animation blueprint, and the skeleton should be night RM PPA last PPA pose. Now according to this tutorial I can get the pose snapshot like this. Let's try that. And snapshot name is last seen pose, and I'll use it like this. Okay, now it looks like this, but I hope that this will be updated when I take a snapshot of my character. So just for testing, I'll take a snapshot. This is only for testing, alright? In the begin play, like this. Take snapshot with this name, and let's place one instance of this character. Also, I need to assign that animation blueprint BPA. Where is it? BPA pose. doesn't seems like working. I'm not sure why. Well, I'm not sure why it is not working. What can I do about that? What else we have here about the pose? We have this copy pose from mesh. Let's try this one. Okay, and let's promote this to a variable. I'll call this one source mesh. Compile. Alright, maybe we can do this. Do we have a begin play here? Right, here let's set the source mesh like this. Get player character and mesh. Alright, let's set it like this and see if that works. Alright, it is working. Okay, so alright, so let's do this. After taking the mesh, setting the mesh, let's give a delay just to be safe of 0.2, and then let's pause. How to pause the animation? Well, the pause is not working, and yeah, meanwhile I found out something. Here, save snapshot takes the snapshot of the current skeletal mesh component pose and saves it internally. So the important part is internally. So that means if I save a snapshot here inside this animation blueprint, I should be able to use it, right? So let's add a delay like this. Let's say 2 seconds just to be sure, and take a snap here. Okay, and now I'll use that snap here like this. So in this case I need to blend this like this, and I'll promote alpha to a variable like this. Okay, and also here when I take the snapshot I'll set alpha to 1, and let's see if that works. Okay, this mesh is working, and yeah, it paused. Alright, thank you. So yeah, now I think I have a place to start. So I think everything I did here is useless then. So these are all useless. I don't need this. And what I have to do is this. I need to, I'll delete this one, and in the game state, when, yeah, I don't have to do this one either. Get player character here. I'll add it to once node just to be safe, and spawn character, no, spawn actor from class, and I'll select the class as the last scene indicator, and for the spawn transform, I'll get transform of the player character like this. And I think there is should be a small issue here, because like this is the transform location of the last scene indicator, and if I put an instance of CHuman, it is like this. So therefore I think I may have to adjust the location of this night RM like this to match with the capsule half height of the, yeah, actually this local, yeah, it's -90. I have to do the same thing here, -90. Okay, right, now let's delete this and let's try this again. Okay, I am detected, and let's go run away from, yeah. Alright, so that was the last scene location, and let's speed up this pose. I'll reduce this one to 0.1, and also I think I should use some other another material for this. What do I have here? No, that's not good. Do I have any other special materials? What is this? Well, I don't have a proper material for this, so let's just go ahead and create one quickly. Just a simple semi-transparent material in red. Parameter color should be red. Why is it pink? And I'll make this one translucent. Promote opacity, set default value 0.2. Okay, so this is the material I have created, and I have assigned it here like this. It doesn't look that cool, but that'll do for now. And yeah, let's get started. let's get detected, and let's run away. And like that, the last seen location was spawned. See? Alright. So that's what I wanted to do. And I'll stop here for today. And I'm really sorry that I started doing this tutorial without having a proper understanding on my snapshots. On using these snapshots, I thought that I could use anywhere when I create a snapshot. So sorry about that, and sorry about taking too long to implement it. And yeah, anyway, so that's all for today, and I hope to create a much a better looking material for the last seen location. And also I will continue to improve everything in future. And thank you for watching. If you like to support my work, if you think you can join my Patreon club, link would be in the description below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.